Alright boys, so here we have a 2022 BRZ with catless unequal length headers, an overpipe, a stock front pipe, and a Greddy Evo GT Catback. And here we have a 2013 BRZ with the exact same exhaust setup. And today we're going to be comparing the two cars to see how different they really sound, even though they have the exact same exhaust setup. So for those of you who don't know, the 2013 BRZs came with a 2-liter and the new 2022 BRZs come with a 2.4 liter. Now, because it's a 2.4 liter, the engine's a little bit bigger and it sounds just a little bit more different. Me and Amanda have the same exact exhaust setup and our cars sound pretty different. I already told you guys on my car, I have catless unequal length headers, I have an overpipe and stock front pipe for the time being, and a Greddy Evo GT Catback. Amanda has literally the exact same setup. So today I figured it'd be a little fun to show you guys the difference with our exhaust setup. I know Chris did the same thing with his MXP Comp RS. I figured, let me show you guys what it sounds like with the Greddy. So first we're gonna start off with the 2013 BRZ and then we'll jump into the 22 and then we'll get some rollers. It sounds pretty different. Like I'm pretty sure the camera is gonna pick up on how different they sound. Also, I just want you guys to keep in mind that all of the exhaust pieces that we used for the 22 BRZ, they're all 2013 BRZ parts. So the headers, the overpipe, the catback, it's all from the Gen 1 BRZ. So it's Gen 1 BRZ exhaust on a Gen 2. So I'm curious to see how different they sound. Let's go ahead and get started with this car first. And oh my God, your seat is crazy. Your seat. Show the boys real quick. Let me try to fit in your seat. Let me just try this. It's pulled up all the way, isn't it?
No, actually, it's not. It goes more.
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this.
You can't even fit.
Alright, I'm not doing this. Sorry, I gotta mess up your seat settings. I can't do this.
Hey.
Alright, get the start up. Talking about?
Yeah, I do.
It's louder. It's the same exact exhaust setup, but it's louder and it's deeper.
Yeah, it is.
So like
it also has pops. Somehow
it
has pops.
We didn't do rollers yet, but when we do rollers, you guys are gonna hear that like this thing actually pops. It doesn't have a pops tune or anything, but it does pop once in a while and it sounds amazing. Huge W on Subaru's part for doing the 2.4 because the 2.4 sounds so good. So we got the standstills. Let's go ahead out into the road and actually show you guys what it sounds like under load, because under load cars just sound so much better. Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Let's go.
All right.
Drop my phone. my god, that car looks so sick.
So what do you think? Is it valid?
Oh, it's so valid.
Yeah?
It's so nice.
Does it sound good from the outside?
Yeah, hell yeah. It sounds even better from the outside.
Okay, you know what? So I have yet to, oh yeah, you gotta put your belt on. That thing gonna chime. Since we did this whole exhaust setup, I have yet to hear it from the outside, and hearing your car from the outside is completely different than driving it and hearing it, so I'm really excited. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous because Amanda's driving this car for the first time after like the camera and everything. And I'm a little nervous with the car, I'm not gonna lie, but it is what it is. I'm gonna hear it, and I hope it sounds sick, I don't know. You promise you'll take care of my car?
I hear you.
Damn. That thing's got some rumble to it. She didn't rip it or anything, but damn, that thing's got some rumble to it, man. Wow. Oh, it sounds so good. My only complaint is that I wish the volume was a little bit louder. It might sound loud, but it's really not that loud. It's about as loud as every diesel pickup truck you hear on the road. It's really not all that loud. I wish it was just a tad bit louder, and I think we'll be able to solve that once we put in a new front pipe. But man, it sounds good. The rumbles are crazy. Oh, the pops. I love it. Can't be too much. It's got to be just right, but I'm a sucker for some good old pops. You got to do it one more time. It's too good. Oh, man, that sounds so good. I love it. I love it so much. It's so cold outside right now, but I don't even care because this car sounds so good and I'm having so much fun just listening to it. My thoughts on this car right now. So this exhaust paired with the 2.4 liter 2022 BRZ motor, it's so weird because it's like a combination of an EJ and an FA. So it has the rumble of an EJ, but it's smooth at the same time like an FA. I don't know if that makes any sense to you guys or not, but like, I hope the camera is picking up what it sounds like because that's exactly like what it sounds like in my head. Let's go pick up your BRZ now and yeah, get some flybys with that.
All right. I'm not gonna lie, it sounds a little rasp. I gotta fix that. I'll show him this after. I don't know if I like Bobber's car better, like the sound of it, but I don't know about mine. Like, I don't know how I'm feeling about it anymore after comparing the two, to be honest.
Got the flybys for the Gen 1, got the flybys for the Gen 2. The sun's going down along with the temperature. It's getting way too cold out here, so let's head back to the shop. We'll pick up when we get to the shop. All for the shop, baby. Oh man, that shop better have been worth it. Now, let's actually head to the shop. have it 2022 BRZ versus 2013 BRZ. Pretty much the exact same exhaust setup all around, and it sounds pretty different, right?
Way different.
Way different.
Way different.
It sounds completely different. I have to give it up to the 2.4 liter because it sounds insanely deep. I'm excited to hear what it sounds like with the front pipe. Because right now, we're on a stock front pipe. I told you guys this earlier, the car really isn't all that loud. Like, you really have to redline it for it to sound kind of loud, but the sound quality is exactly where I want it. I just wish the volume was turned up a tad bit. For anyone that might have missed it, we are running catless unequal length headers, an aftermarket overpipe, a stock front pipe, and a Greddy Evo GT Catback on both cars. Besides the brand of the headers being different, these are the exact same exhaust, but these are both catless and equal length headers. This is the closest comparison we could get. Well, nothing new here. Crashed the drone again into the wall. First time, I'm pretty sure this is the first time I took it out since my STI, I think, right? And I crashed it, and usually when I crash it, it's like, it'll still work, but work kind of weird. Nah, it's done. It's done. It's not even turning on, dude. All right, so it's like on, but it won't fly no matter what I do. Look. The tabs are like kind of messed up, and that's just, ugh.
Nice one, bud.
Thanks. Nothing new here. I've broken that drone so many times, and I fixed it and broke it again, and yeah, once again, it is broken. So drone is down. As soon as I want to take it out, like I thought it was gonna be such a cool shot from there, and then I was like, yo, like, Amanda, ride the crazy cart, and I'm gonna like follow you, like, you know, those drifting videos where people are like, yeah, I didn't realize that I don't know how to fly a drone.
I should have just flew the drone.
I'm the worst person to have done that. I don't know why I did that. I'm the worst person to have done that.
Yeah, you really are.
Terrible. Oh, what's the camera settings? The camera settings were just a little weird. I just fixed it right now. But yeah, once again, drone's broken. Sucks to suck, but it is what it is. I guess I'll fix it again. I mean, I fixed this thing like twice already, but this time is like, I don't know. The camera isn't even like straightening out anymore, which it used to do every other time I broke it, but now it's not straightening out, so I don't know. It might be something serious, but I think it might be time for a new drone anyway. Actually, never mind. I don't think I need to break any more drones. I thought it would be kind of sick though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, the idea was there. I feel like the idea was awesome. While you're drifting around in the crazy car, it's like the drone following you. And I wanted to practice outside rather than inside because I know I'm prone to crashing the drone. So I figured if it's outside, we'll be safer. Thank God I did do it inside and scratch up one of these cars. That would have been awful. It is what it is. Shit happens when you're having fun. You can't stress too much about it. This is gonna be it for today's video. I didn't really expect it to be that drastic of a difference between the Gen 2 and the Gen 1. I mean, they have the same exact exhaust setup. I know this engine is just a little bit bigger, but I don't know. I guess I was expecting a very similar sound. This is definitely way throatier than that. Everybody has their own opinions though, but like I said, I wanna know your guys' opinions. Leave it down in the comments. What do you guys think sounds better? The Gen 1 or the Gen 2? You guys already know I'm falling for the Gen 2, so that is my pick. But let me know what you guys think. That is gonna be it for today's video. Tomorrow, we have something pretty exciting planned with the Gen 2 BRZ, and it's gonna be kind of a little throwback video. It should be fun. But until then, I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.